This Dyson V11 does everything. It comes with a bunch of added tools, and then the cleaner head here has an anti-clog feature, so you can suck up long hair, pet hair without any clogs. It rotates easily to get in and under things, which is something that I really like. And then here's where you disconnect to empty the canister. You don't have to touch any of the gunk that you suck up. And you can see here, I'm doing everything with one hand. It's so easy to use. With two hands, it would be even easier. But the battery here disconnects. You can plug it in. You can hang it on the wall. It comes with a wall hanger, which is what we use to charge it. And then finally, here is the filter, which I obviously need to clean some. But again, you can see just how simple it is to use and maintain this vacuum. It has 3 different use modes: Eco, Auto, and Boost. Boost really sucks everything up. Eco, it saves that battery life, and then the Auto makes it easy to go from carpet to hardwood floor. I really like that this vacuum has an hour runtime, and it tells you on the screen how many minutes you have left.